Morning girls, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing mock test paper 5. Please go through my playlist. You will find up to mock test 4 and previous year paper also. Initially we have 50 questions of general knowledge and current affairs. The father of civil services in India, that is Lord Cornwallis. So initially he is the father of civil services. Initial maiden person, that is Lord Cornwallis, is known as father of civil services. Who has been appointed as first ever ombudsman or ethics officer of BCCI? Normally we used to have an ombudsman who does the settlement, so that ethics officer we call it as. So BCCI's ombudsman, that officer is Justice AP Shah has been appointed. Bose-Einstein condensate BEC, this is 1/5 particle of this matter, so is one of the states of matter obtained by cooling a gas of very low density to extremely low temperature. It means this Bose-Einstein condensate, it is 1/5 matter, which is very important one. How it can be obtained is by cooling a gas of very low density to extremely low temperatures. The Thousand Pillar Temple, a historical Hindu temple located in the town of Hanmakonda, was built by Rudradeva. As you can see right side how the thousand pillar looks like. This has been built by whom? This has been built by Rudradeva in Hanmakonda of Telangana district, the Thousand Pillar Temple. Next we have the biggest museum located in, we are aware that in Kolkata we have the biggest museum. Next, the West Bengal produces the highest quality of jute. As you can see the right side how the jute appears, though the Kolkata is famous for what? That is the maximum producer of jute. Kannada was not included in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution through 92nd Amendment. We knew there are various Dravidian languages. Among them, Kannada was not included in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution through 92nd Amendment. Next we have laterite soils are red in color and not suitable for agriculture, found along the Tamil Nadu, Odisha and small part of Chota Nagpur and Meghalaya. So what kind of soils you find in Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Chota Nagpur and Meghalaya? They are all these type of laterite soils. They are in red in color. Next we have the CER stands for Certified Emission Reductions. So this is the abbreviation of CER. Apollo 11, the first artificial satellite that landed humans on moon, was launched in 1969, where Neil Armstrong has gone the same satellite, that is Apollo 11, which was launched on 1969. The committee appointed in 1989 by Rajiv Gandhi are on revitalization of Panchayati Raj institution for democracy and development. The main intention of introducing the Panchayati Raj is to have the democracy and development in the rural areas. So this has been promulgated by with the committee, that is in 1986. It has been, this committee has been appointed by whom? Rajiv Gandhi. That committee's name is LM Sanghvi Committee. As you can see, Panchayati Raj system 73rd amendment is the one from where it has been taken, and with this amendment initially Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh are the two states from where Panchayati Raj system has initiated. ASLV stands asynchronous satellite launching vehicle. PSLV stand, that is polar satellite launching vehicle, used in India for the first time in 1987. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. You should know what exactly the trophies and cups with respective fields. Rajaji National Park is located in which place? That is located in Uttarakhand. We have Konkani is the official language of Goa. In Goa, maximum people speak the Konkani language, and Tulu also. ISS stands for International Space Station. Burra caves are located in which place? They are located in Andhra Pradesh. as you can see the right side how it looks like. The Hubble Space Telescope, we should know what exactly the telescope is to see the astronomical distance. This space telescope, the scientist name is Hubble. So in his name, the Hubble Space Telescope name has been given, that belongs to the America. The instrument played by Pandit Ravi Shankar is, that is sitar. You should know what are the instruments and the who plays them. Please go through my playlist, you will find the exact with figures. First non-Congress party rule in 1911. The non-Congress party had ruled. Jungle Book written by Rudyard Kipling. Next we have the smallest continent is Australia, biggest one is Asia, and the second is Africa. Srinagar is on the banks of which river? The Srinagar is on the bank of river Jhelum. As you can see right side how the Jhelum looks like. Dilwara Jain Temple, which is one of the Jain temple which is located in Mount Abu. That Mount Abu is in which place? That is in Rajasthan. IRST, that is Space Launching Station, that is in Sriharikota. As you can see that is in Andhra Pradesh. Right side you will find how exactly the Sriharikota looks like. Jagannath Temple is located in which place? That Jagannath Temple is located in Puri, that is in Odisha. Highest court of law is Supreme Court, which is located in New Delhi, and the High Court is located in respective states. The retirement age of judges of Supreme Court is normally 65 years of age, whichever is earlier, he has to get retired. First war of independence of India is also known as, that is Sipai Mutiny. Due to the Mangal Pandey, Sipai Mutiny took place in 1857. The first Olympic Games were held in 776 BC before Christ at Athens in the Greece. Rovers Cup is associated with football. Permanent body of the parliament is Rajya Sabha, and the temporary body of the parliament is Lok Sabha. This Rajya Sabha is also known as Council of Ministers. Next, Meteor's Day is celebrated on Jan 30th. Calcutta is situated on the river bank of, that is river Hooghly. There is a bridge called Howrah. As you can see how the Howrah bridge looks like. Next we have the Vasco da Gama land in India 1498. So Vasco da Gama, he is the person who has reached to Goa in 1498. Next we have in 1928 Indian men's hockey team win its first Olympic gold medal. So the Olympic gold medal by men's hockey team in 1928 initially. The monument Gol Gumbaz is located in which place? That is located in Bijapur, Karnataka, which is built by Muhammad Adil Shah. As you can see right how exactly it looks like. The first passenger train started in Maharashtra from Mumbai to Thane. That passenger train has been run between those two places. In the Parliament of India, who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha is Ganesh Mavlankar, was nominated as the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Aruna Asaf Ali, as you can see right side how she looks like. So she is remembered for the hoisting of the Indian National Congress flag at Quit India movement. As you can see in 1942 the hoisting of Indian national flag has been taken place. As you can see before it was different. As you can see she is the one hoisted the Indian National Congress flag, and she is the founder of National Federation of Indian Women. Next, she edited the Congress Party's monthly magazine Inqilab. So this is one magazine which is initiated by Congress Party. So like this you have to remember each and everything. You can directly go through what exactly has been given in the slide. The name of the horse of Buddha is Kantaka. If it is asked Maharana Pratap, that is, please go through whatever has been given. So this is Kantaka, that is Chetak. Thermoscope was invented by Galileo Galilei. He had invented the thermoscope. Next we have the formation of United Nations organization took place in 24th October 1945 due to the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan by the USA. World Water Day is celebrated on which place? On 22nd March. The World Water Day is celebrated. The Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919. Even in 1919 we have got there is a great disaster of Jallianwala Bagh massacre by, he is the General Dyer, he is the main responsible for this. It was taken place in Amritsar. And Golden Temple of Dambulla, as you can see, Sri Lanka has got this kind of temple, Golden Temple of Dambulla, which is located in Sri Lanka. As you can see, historical monument, one of the finest structures of Buddha. Next, the Ashoka was the successor of whom? That is, Ashoka has succeeded Bindusara. He is a son of Bindusara. The shape of the earth is, obviously it is in the shape of oblated spheroid. So you should know all these questions, they are very important. So up to that, so 50 questions have been finished. So let us see with the biology questions. The function of centriole is the formation of spindle fibers. This is the main function of centriole. Next we have the nucleus was discovered by, this is discovered by Robert Brown. The theory of plant proposed by, this theory of plant is proposed by whom? That is Kelliden. The biggest cell is ostrich, is the biggest egg as well as biggest cell. The protein factories of the cell, we should, ribosomes are the protein factories of the cells, and you should know what exactly the suicidal bags of the cells. Please message me by commenting. Next we have the biology one. A ribosome consists of two subunits. Ribosome has got how many? It has got two subunits. Ribosome is center of protein synthesis. Golgi body occurs in all cells except red blood cells and bacterial cells. Golgi bodies, it has got all cells except red blood cells and bacterial cells. Lysosomes are called suicidal bags because they possess hydrolytic enzymes. As we are should aware what exactly the lysosomes are, they are called suicidal bags because they possess hydrolytic enzymes. The energy currency of a living cell is, that is adenosine triphosphate, ATP. They are the energy currency of a living cell. You can see how exactly the animal cell looks like and what are the exact parts of this. You should know each and everything. You may be asked any kind of questions with this cell. There is an important topic, cell topic. You should remember each and every question. In glycolysis, the glucose is changed into pyruvic acid. As you can see right side, how the glycolysis process happens. The glucose is converted from glucose to pyruvic acid. The female sex organs in bryophytes are called archegonium. So whatever the female sex organs in bryophytes are known as archegonium. The term cell was proposed by Robert Hooke. That cell, the word has been proposed by whom? That has been proposed by Robert Hooke. Cell biology is the study of cell structure and function. So this is the cell biology, is the study of what? Cell structure as well as function. A cell is considered to be a functional unit of life because it is the smallest structure that exhibits growth, metabolism, self-regulation. What you have to remember is what exactly the definition of the cell is. It is considered to be a functional unit of life because it is the smallest structure that exhibits growth, metabolism and self-regulation. Next we have the food chain. Plants, herbivores, carnivores, decomposers. These are the food chain. How the food chain is, that is initially plants are the one, and the herbivorous eats plants and the carnivorous eats herbivores, and decomposers, after death these decomposers eat carnivorous. Next we have cereals are mainly produced by the members of which of the families of plants? Leguminosae. As you can see right side, how the leguminosae has been given with the various crop. This cereals are mainly produced from the member of which family? That is Leguminosae. Next we have the quinine is obtained from the Cinchona plant. From the bark of Cinchona, this quinine has been taken out. This is the use of malaria disease. This is the main medicine for malaria. The plants found in deserts is, they are xerophytes, plants found in desert. Hydrophytes, an aquatic plant growing either completely submerged or partly immersed in water. They are hydrophytes. Next we have vivipari is found in which place? They are found in mangrove plants. Gaseous hormone is, ethylene is known as gaseous hormone. The site of light reaction is, geranium is known as the site of light reaction. Next we have the ginger is a stem and not a root because it has nodes and internodes. As you can see right side how the nodes and internodes can be found in ginger. Cacti do not have the green leaves. Wherever the cacti, it doesn't have the green leaves. So you should know exactly how the ginger looks like. And next we have the onion and potato. You should know each and everything how it looks like. The next we have the mineral constituent of cell wall is, that is calcium. Maximum you will find in cell wall. The guard cells in monocot leaves they are in the shape of dumbbell shaped. Parallel venation is found in grasses. In grasses we will find parallel venation. The mature embryo sac in angiosperms is a 7-celled structure. As you can see the mature embryo sac to the right of this figure. So 7-celled structure. Eyes glow during the night due to the presence of tapetum. There is a chemical in the eyes of the animal. During the night time you will have the glow during that is known as tapetum. Next we have the physics one. A missile is projected into the air. It follows such a path that is known as parabolic path. As you can see, throwing of the stone from the building also one type of the path is parabolic. The velocity with which a body moves around the earth is known as like orbital velocity. Whatever the planets they revolve around the earth is known as they are all type of orbital velocity. The potential energy of revolving satellite is always negative. So whatever the potential energy of revolving satellite is, that is negative. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of a freely falling body is constant at all parts. 1 foot-pound is equal to 32 foot-poundals. So that is, you should remember what exactly foot-poundals measurement is, and escape velocity as well as orbital velocity. Next we have the physics, that is the number of vibration which a oscillation particles completes in 1 second is known as, that is frequency. The distance between two nearest particles in the same phase is known as wavelength. Next we have the forias can be removed by using cylindrical lens. This forias as well as astigmatism can be removed by which lens? That is by cylindrical lens. Here we have the polarization conforms the transverse nature of light waves. So what are the polarization which conforms the transverse nature of light waves? Type of glass used in making lenses and prisms, that is crown glass. Normally to manufacture the glasses silicon is used, but in the case of the glass making of the crown glass, so here lenses and prism that is used, that is crown glass is used. Next we have the chemistry one, which produces more severe burns. Instead of fire, if you see the steam produces greater damage to your body. A beaker is completely filled with water at 4 degrees centigrade. It will overflow both when heated or cooled. This is due to the anomalous expansion of water. 4 degrees centigrade, it has got a maximum density. The two blocks of ice when pressed together join to form one block. This happens because melting point of obviously falls with pressure. Next, the top of lake is frozen as the atmospheric temperature is minus 10 degrees centigrade. The temperature at the bottom of the lake is most likely to be 4 degrees centigrade. That is the reason all the fishes get survived by going deep down. There is a 4 degrees centigrade water temperature. There they exactly survive. The instrument is used to measure the temperature of the source from its thermal radiation is thermopile. You should know what exactly the definition of thermopile. Heat is a form of energy exchange between the two bodies at different temperature. Heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature, which is a common sense. That is, from the higher to lower it is transferred. The gain or loss of heat without change in temperature is known as latent heat. As you can see how exactly the latent heat of vaporization takes place, solid to liquid, liquid to gas. So the temperature remains constant as liquid turns to gas. So this is the place where you will get the latent heat from the liquid to gaseous state at 100 degrees centigrade. So here latent heat of ice, how much? 80 calorie per gram. Next, so such a 80 calories required for the gram of ice to get melted, to get liquid to gaseous state. The boiling point of water, the liquids increases with the increase in pressure. Next we have the melting point of water decreases with the increase in pressure. So you should know what exactly boiling point as well as melting point, how they exactly inversely proportional. So melting point of water automatically decreases with the increase in pressure. That is the reason we can cook in cooker, pressure cooker very faster. I hope all these questions of 100 questions might be very useful. If it is faster, you can slow it down with the 0.75 speed. I hope this will help you in cracking your job. Please go through my playlist. You will find hundreds of videos. Don't skip any video. Whatever the content is given, that will be very useful for your examination, because those questions have been compiled from various resources. So you should find out exactly what question may be useful, and you have to go through all questions because that will be repeated in your exams. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good life. Please share it to your friends, girls.